Chris had such nice lawn. It's beautiful, so thick, soft. I hated to dig it up, so but we had to do it. This is the end piece. It covers it up, and you got fittings here if you wanted to route your 3-inch, 4-inch pipe into it. It's got one on top. We got 100 foot of ditch here. This was about 5 feet deep on this end. We're about maybe 3 feet deep on the other end. And I think we're supposed to have it 3 feet deep minimum, or maybe not minimum, 18 to, I think they told me they had to have it about 3 feet deep at the minimum spot. So we're about 5 foot here, about 3 foot on the far end. And this is gonna be about 100 foot of pipe. So that's a lot of dirt. And we'll have to go back and backfill it. We got the pipe going into the center of it here. So y'all just going to drop down here, do a 90 down into the, what are these things called?
Infiltrator.
A what?
Infiltrator.
Infiltrator? Yeah, it's about 18 inches high, and it's like a half circle, and it just sits on the ground. So the drain, the septic system, the water drains out and into here, and it can drain into 100 feet of this and then leach down into the ground. They said it was something new. It's easier maybe to put this in than the normal sock style and the gravel, but it's it's a lot of digging, and we had to have a transit, and we had to get it level all the way across. All right, so we're getting ready to cover it up. We had to dig under this water line too. That was fun. Had to do a lot of that by hand. This stuff's pretty cool. We dug it all out. That little 12-inch bucket on the back of my backhoe. Little Coyote 2610 with the backhoe. Got the job done. Took me a while, but we got it done. She'll come out. There he goes. That's Pumbaa.
That's Pumbaa. Stella will come around here in a minute.
He just rooted her off.
Oh yeah.
That's Stella?
That's Stella.
Wow.
She's a little thing. She's full coon. That's why she's short. He's supposed to be full coon, but he ain't.
Yeah.
He's not. He's too tall to be full coon.
He's a big boy. That was actually pretty fun. That's the first time I ever put in a septic tank line. It was a little more than I thought. I thought I'd go up there and knock it out in a few hours, but we worked on it about 3 days after work, every day till dark. So maybe took us, I don't know, 9 hours or so. But it looks good. We got it in. It's a pretty interesting concept. It's the first time I ever seen that style of septic tank lines. And it was, you had to dig it wider than you do with the traditional line, but you know, it's easy. You just get it level and put it down. They stack on top of each other, they interlock, and then you just tie in your pipe from your septic tank down to the drain line, and you're done. So that's all he's got left to do. We got it covered up. Basically, all he has to do is put the pipe in and from the septic tank, and he'll be good to go. Just really hated I messed his grass up. Just, I'm not kidding, that's like the thickest, it was like carpet, and I hated to dig it up. But anyway, you do what you got to do. We got him taken care of. Learned a few things, and anyway, got it done. All right, I'll talk to you later.